Hello, world. Okay, so here goes some more of my dogs or rabbits. Hey, rabbit. What you eating over there, rabbit? Well, won't you eat all of it so I ain't got to cut my grass, rabbit? I'm gonna see how close you let me get to you before you run there. I just want to pet you. Let me pet you, rabbit. And me and the ducks is cool. Where you going? Okay, so what about you, rabbit? Oh, you too? Well, I'll catch y'all on a rebound. Be easy. We got squirrels, we got birds, we just got stuff. I love nature, and I believe nature loves me. Look at them. Look at my people. Hello, world.